Hello everyone, let me show you my new DIY. This table lamp gives an illusion of transmitting electricity through the air. Isn't it amazing? Can you guess the secret behind? Watch this video till the end and I will show you how it works and how to make one for yourself. We are not doing any miracle here by transmitting electricity through the air. This is actually a magnetic levitating switch. If you are new to the concept of levitation using magnets, I would suggest you to first watch my video where I show how we can levitate things using magnets. I have given the link in the description of this video. Let's see how this works. This is the circuit diagram of a lamp. The blue dotted lines represent the outline of a cardboard box and tube used as base and arm of the lamp. One terminal of the bulb is connected directly to the battery. The other one is connected to a metal ring attached to the inside of the top of the base. Both these wires are concealed inside the lamp arm. Second terminal of the battery is connected to a metal nut or screw. As we can see, the circuit is incomplete and hence the light does not glow. We now need to put a switch in between the open ends of the circuit so that we can turn it on or off as required. Make a hole in the cardboard box inside the ring's inner circumference. Attach a thread to the nut and run the other end of the thread through this hole and then attach a magnet to it. Attach a screw hook to the arm of the lamp. Now, hang another magnet to this hook such that the unlike poles of these two magnets face each other. The thread length should be just enough to make both these magnets attract each other while still maintaining a gap. When the bottom magnet is in levitating position, the thread attached to the nut is in tension and forces it to touch the metal ring. This completes our circuit and makes the bulb glow. I've also made a remote for it. It works. If you find my videos useful, do like and share with your friends. Subscribe to my channel for more such informational videos.